John Ternus Apple CEO? Yes, it's official. Apple is making one of the biggest leadership changes in its history. Tim Cook is stepping down, and John Ternus, Apple CEO, will take over in 2026. But what does this really mean for Apple, your iPhone, and the future of technology? Let's break it down. Apple officially announced that John Ternus will become CEO on September 1st, 2026, replacing Tim Cook after more than a decade leading the company. This marks the end of an era and the beginning of something very different. John Ternus isn't new to Apple. He's been with the company since 2001 and currently leads hardware engineering. That means he's played a major role in products like the iPhone, Mac, Apple Watch, and AirPods. In fact, he helped lead Apple's transition to its own chips, one of the biggest shifts in Apple history. Tim Cook isn't leaving Apple, he's transitioning to executive chairman. But the timing is raising questions. Apple is facing increasing pressure in artificial intelligence, where competitors like Google and Microsoft are moving fast. This leadership change signals Apple may be preparing for a major shift in strategy. John Ternus is known as a product-focused leader, more similar to Steve Jobs than Tim Cook in some ways. That could mean more aggressive product innovation, big upgrades to iPhone and Mac, a stronger push into AI-powered devices. But here's the big question. Will Apple finally catch up in AI? If you use Apple products, this could impact future iPhones, pricing strategies, AI features like Siri and automation. And if you're an investor, this leadership shift could affect Apple's stock and long-term growth. Tim Cook grew Apple into a nearly $4 trillion company, but critics say innovation slowed in recent years. Now, John Ternus is stepping in during one of the most competitive eras in tech history. So here's the question. Do you think John Ternus will take Apple to the next level, or is this a risky move? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. And if you want more breaking tech updates and trends, hit subscribe right now.